Hi guys, this is Ahmed Dawn. I just wanted to show you how Google Bard responds when you ask if it is using Google Gemini now. So I remember I used the same question this morning, and it was mentioning that it doesn't know, or the answers were vague. But right now it's giving very clear answer. For example, here, yes, I'm currently using a fine-tuned version of Google Gemini, and then it's giving some more information. So I'm just going to scroll down slowly. If you want to read them, then you can just pause and read it later. But looks like definitely Google Bard is using Gemini right now. And then if I go to the other version or draft 2, then it's giving even more summarized answer, and it has a better summary of what is Gemini and how it's being used in Google Bard. And let's go to draft 3, and you can see that here it's clear that yes, I'm using Google Gemini now, and starting December 2023. And this is the fine-tuned version of Gemini Pro, which is the light version, and the full version is called Ultra, and which is still under development. So it looks like Google Bard has Gemini now.